Hi everyone, welcome back to Udu's Organic DIY. Today, I'm going to show you a simple and effective way to thicken your watering soap using something you already have in your kitchen, regular table salt. Let's jump right into it. Sometimes when we make homemade soap or even buy some commercial ones, they can turn out too watery. This could happen because of too much water during production, temperature changes, or just the ingredients used. But don't worry, you don't need fancy chemical to fix it. A little kitchen salt can do the magic. Here are our watering soap, table salt, warm water, a small bowl, a spoon for mixing. These are all you need. Simple, right? Now let's get mixing. In a small bowl, add about 6 tablespoons of warm water to 3 tablespoons of kitchen salt. Mix it well until the salt dissolves completely. You now have a simple salt solution. Next, gradually add the salt solution into your watering soap. Add a little at a time, stirring gently after each addition. You will start to notice the soap thickening. Keep adding small amounts of the salt solution until you get the thickness you like. I add a small amount of water to dissolve undissolved salt and add it to the soap while stirring continuously. Remember, a little goes a long way. If you add too much salt, the soap might separate or becomes too thick. Can still become watering again, so go slowly. Look at that difference. From thin and runny to thick and creamy, all with just simple kitchen salt. A quick tip. This method works best with soap that contains surfactants like SLS or SLES. If you are working with purely natural soap like cast-shell soap, the thickening effect might be less dramatic. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell so you won't miss more DIY tips like this. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.